So now
My screen is visible, sir.
yes, you can see your screen. Go to Gateway 1 and check the routing table. Check the routing table.
IP.
Enable first.
Enable first.
Brother IP.
IP.
Yeah, IP route, not IT. Yeah.
IP is not working. Better.
Sir, just a minute. Sir, this is. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello. I am audible, sir.
Is it there, right?
Yes, sir.
The two networks.
Sir,
102,
how to find
103.
it is working or not working?
Okay. Janan,
Yes, sir.
Janan, can you hear me?
Sir. Yes. Sir, yes. Hello.
Janan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Sir, you are audible, sir. You go ahead, sir.
Bhaskar,
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
I am audible. All of you.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes.
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 okay, Gajanan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so simply just send a ping from PC1 to your server 2. Send a ping. From PC1 to server 2.
Sir, actually, PC1. No?
PC1, that is the leftmost PC. 100.4 IP.
This one. No?
Send a ping. Server 2 IP is what?
Server 103.4.
103.
Yes, sir.
Send a ping. Okay, you are getting the reply, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's working. Your RIP is working. It's simple.
IP is wrong.
IP address is not correct.
1 minute, sir.
192.168, I guess.
This is working, sir. Now.
It's working.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Tell me.
Yeah, I have a question, sir. If we'll not get a reply by ping, we won't get 100% reply. Then what we need to check?
You need to check up to where you can get the ping. Up to where. Whether your gateway you can ping, whether you can ping the next device, whether you can ping the next device, like that you have to ping. Okay. From the point
Okay.
you are not getting the ping, that is when exactly you begin the troubleshooting from that point onwards. Getting my point?
Understand.
If you are getting the ping, if you are getting ping from gateway one, that means it's working. Your gateway is reachable. If you are not getting ping from router one, it means the problem starts from router one itself, right?
Yeah.
So this is how exactly you can basically use it for doing troubleshooting in the network. The ping command. Okay, Raman, you can close your share now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, everyone. So I guess our topology, what we have used, we are discussing about Eigrp. Eigrp stands for what? Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. Right. Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. And what exactly it does? It is the same thing. It performs dynamic routing. Okay. And we are using it the same way we are using RIP. We are also using the same. Okay, this is Eigrp also. But the only connected networks. This is what exactly we have to configure. No matter whichever dynamic type of routing we are doing, always connected networks. This is the like for information what we need to configure. So let me give you the configuration. Check the configuration out. You will see that there is so much of similarity between these configurations of RIP and Eigrp. So Eigrp. Okay, you can see that. This is the configuration of gateway 1, router 1, and gateway 2. Okay. In terms of Eigrp configuration. This is your gateway 1 configuration, router 1, and this one is gateway 2. And this is the verification commands what we have in Eigrp. These are all verification commands. Show IP protocols. And show IP Eigrp neighbor. All this. Okay. So what is it? I want all of you to take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this.
Taken, sir.
Sir,
Taken, right? Then take this.
Sir, please scroll up, sir.
sir, can you stop the some recording, sir? I am having problems, sir, taking the screenshot, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about?
That recording logo is coming between.
Stop the recording.
Yes, sir.
Recording logo is
Or you may just shift that logo to some.
the configuration is hiding, sir. That's
Okay.
why I told you.
Right now,
Till it's in there.
still it is there.
Yes, sir.
So drag the recording person, sir.
Drag
Drag it from any side, sir.
little bit, sir.
Okay. Right now,
No, sir.
Yes,
Little
yes,
bit
sir.
move up, sir.
Move up. Now,
Move up, sir.
I guess it is on your system. I guess it is showing like that.
Yes, sir. But
Okay. Do one thing. Do one thing. Can you take it now?
No, sir. I can't take it. Sir.
Take it, sir.
Taken right.
No, sir.
Right now, can you take it? Taken.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Take this. Then finished everyone.
Now it's okay, sir.
Take this.
sir,
Taken.
Yes, sir.
Take this. Finished.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you scroll up?
Which part?
second part, sir.
Second part, sir.
This part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Taken.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Done, sir.
All the screenshots taken, right? Everyone taken all the screenshots.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
No, sir. Last one is left, sir.
Take this. This is the last one.
Last one. Done.
No, sir. End of the page.
Now this is your configuration. What exactly we're going to be doing? Can you see this number over here? 65111. Can you see that everywhere we are configuring this number over here?
Yes, sir.
This number is basically
Yes,
called
sir.
AS number, autonomous system number. Autonomous. Autonomous system number. Okay. The thing is, in every single of these routers, okay, gateway 1, router 1, and gateway 2,
I made jacket ka po na.
this number, it must be same. It is the same autonomous system number. What exactly we need to configure. Okay, you have to configure the same autonomous system number because your JP cannot work without autonomous system. This is why exactly you need to configure it. There is a range starting from 1 to 655. This is the range is there. This is our autonomous system number range. In between this, you can take the number, but there is a public number and a private number is set. Private means free numbers are there, and public means chargeable numbers are there. You have 0 is reserved. It is a reserved number. Okay, so 0 we cannot use it. So 1264511. This basically belongs to publication. Okay, and 646451255. This belongs to private.
Sir, can you repeat the private number, sir?
This is over here. Na?
64562.
511.
51.
512 because it ends over here in 64511, right?
Yes, sir.
So the next number from the next number onwards up to 7535 will not get private. And you can use any of these numbers because these numbers are free of cost. So you don't have to pay anything. But over here it is chargeable. These numbers are chargeable public. So always whatever autonomous system number you are taking, it needs to be same. Okay. Always it needs to be same. This is what exactly is the requirement. So that is the reason we are configuring it with the same autonomous system. This is what exactly we're having something new section over here. Okay. This section. This is your subnet mask section. Subnet mask or wildcard mask. Wildcard. Wildcard. Basically, it is exactly the opposite of the subnet mask. There is a formula out there to get the wildcard mask. Eigrp always uses all 255 5 255 minus subnet mask. Okay, this is your wildcard. Wildcard mask. Okay, always it uses in this particular way. Subnet mask always is getting subjected from all 255s to get the wildcard mask. Okay. Gadget always uses wildcard mask to understand the network and host things. So exactly opposite concept is there. But the way to get wildcard mask is you subject the subnet mask from all 255s and you get
Sir, your
wildcard.
voice is coming very slow, sir.
Sir, is not at all
Can
audible,
you
sir.
check from your side?
Yes, sir.
Can you check from your
Yes,
side, sir?
in my side exactly network is good.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
But
It's
from
very
my
low.
side, sir, you check your mic, sir.
Mic is good. Let me check the volume. Volume is also 100%, right?
Okay, sir.
Then
I think, sir, it's
it is a
network problem.
it's a network issue, I guess. Can you hear me now properly?
Not a network
issue.
It is because right now, means earlier you were like what? You were getting my voice properly, right? Earlier
Sir, from the starting, your voice is very low, sir.
from the starting itself,
Yes,
voice is
sir. From
very
the starting itself, sir.
Yes, sir.
We
Sir,
can't hear you
your
properly,
voice
sir.
is clear, but
okay.
it's sounding very low.
And sir, we
Okay.
only heard a little bit words only, sir.
Okay, just hold on. Let me just restart the port over here. Okay, just hold on. Okay, everyone, can you hear me properly now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then now is better.
Okay. So, what exactly I was having the discussion, that is your ASN. You have public ASN and private ASN. The defined range is there. and always wildcard mask. This is what exactly is being used by Eigrp. Okay, wildcard. Okay. And this is the formula. Always you have to subtract your subnet mask. Subnet mask you have to subtract from all 255 in order to get the wildcard mask. Okay. So either you can find the wildcard mask like this. Okay, and you configure your Eigrp, or you can directly type the subnet mask. Eigrp will automatically convert the subnet mask in wildcard. In both ways, you can do the configuration in Eigrp. The no auto summary command. This is the same command what exactly we have seen it in RIP also. Okay, same like RIP we are doing it. If you see very carefully, configuration wise, this no auto summary exit, all these configurations we are basically doing it. Okay. This configuration is exactly same like RIP configuration. RIP. Okay. The thing what is new over here is the subnet mask or wildcard mask information, and this particular command over here. Earlier we used to say router RIP, but right now we are saying autonomous system number, because the Eigrp autonomous system always is there. Without autonomous system, it cannot work. So pretty much simple configuration what you have. Okay, this Eigrp protocol. Now, this protocol configuration, this is what exactly we're going to be doing. Okay, so who will be sharing the screen today to do this configuration? Who will share their screen? Who has logged in with the system? Yash, Vikram. Who has logged in with the system? Anjali. Anjali is there.
Sir, today I bought my new laptop, sir. So it's not possible to configure now. Later I will configure, then I will perform.
Okay. Bhaskar is there.
Yes, sir.
Today
Yes, sir.
you will be doing a custom project. What I am about to give you right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will be performing this Eigrp configuration, not in this project.
Okay.
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 In this project, you are not doing it. I will give you a custom project, and in that you will do it.
Okay, sir.
But you basically you have got the idea, right? What you have to do. This network commands. It is about the connected networks, right? This gateway 1 is connected to LAN number
Yes,
1,
sir.
LAN number 1 and LAN number 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then gateway router
Yes,
1
sir.
is connected to LAN 2 and 3. Then gateway 2 is connected to LAN 3 and 4. It's always about the connected networks. Make sure that this number is same. That is the most important.
Yes, sir.
So right now you can share your screen on, and you will perform this project right now. So open a brand new project.
1 second, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So don't use this project. Load a brand new project.
Yes, sir.
Take and right. Okay. Take PC. Take PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, and PC5. Take 5 pieces. Take one switch. Connect all the 5 pieces to this switch.
So we were using 2950/T, correct?
The same switch, what exactly you use, right?
Yes, sir.
Take your router. This is your
Wait.
router, which
Yes, sir.
is connected to
Wait.
another router,
Okay.
which is connected to two routers.
Two routers. Okay.
Okay, two routers. Then these two routers are getting connected in this manner to another router.
To another router. Okay.
Okay. Then take one switch. Take one switch over here. And this switch gets connected to one server over here. One server over here.
Okay.
One server over here.
Okay.
Okay, taken, right?
Yes, sir.
So your entire, okay, all these like IP address what we're going to be giving, it is
Okay.
like the first two octets will be 193.169.0.0, and this is what exactly you are going to be using. You will have to do subnetting, and you will have to getting my point.
Sir, could you once repeat subnetting we have to do?
You have to do subnetting, and you have to assign proper subnet masks to each and every single LANs. Like in this LAN, this is one LAN, right?
Yes, sir.
What exactly subnet mask you have to give? What subnet you have to create from 193.169? You have to configure it by calculating it. Then this is one.
It's a class. It's a class C now, so automatically the subnet mask will come.
Yes, it is a class C, but this one you are using right over here. You have to miss. I'm giving you /16. Don't worry
Yes.
whether it's a class C or class B. I'm giving you /16 because you have total 16 bits available. 16 host bits available.
Yes.
To do subnetting. Now, depending on the requirement, you have to do the subnetting and you have to give proper subnet mask to each and every single lens. To understand how many systems are there, how many IP address you have to give to the systems, and then you have to do the configuration of your IP address on your routers and PCs.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
The requirement. What is the requirement you have to find out first? The requirement is there, na? How many systems
Yes,
you need in LAN number 1?
5 systems are there.
5 systems plus another one over here, router.
Yes, sir.
So total how many IPs required?
6.
6 IPs. So as per 6 IPs, what a subnet mask should be there? You have to calculate it, and the subnet mask you have to apply it in all the systems. Getting it?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I'm getting it, but I'm getting it confused for first time I'm doing this.
I'm telling you, right, what you are doing. You
Yes,
know
sir.
class C subnetting, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you know class C subnetting, then you should be knowing that how to find the requirements. Because always there should be requirement, right? Based on which you are doing subnetting.
Yes, sir.
So what is the requirement? In LAN number 1, what is the requirement?
So LAN requirement is like we have 6 devices and we are given this IP address range and subnet mask is 16. So as per that, you have to assign the IP address to these devices using the subnet mask.
So you are basically doing what? you are doing your IP address, like the subnet, the first subnet will be what? 193.169.0.0/6 IPs, right? You need 2 raised to
Yes,
3
sir.
is there, right? 8.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 2 is what? 6. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
So 2 raised to 3 means what? In class C, if we are taking 3 bits in post, it
Yes,
means
sir.
remaining 5 bits are going to the network, right? So slash
Yes,
24
sir.
is already there. Slash 24 plus 5 is how much? Slash 29.
29.
Slash
Yes, sir.
29 is assigned to all the machines in this LAN, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what is exactly there to confuse? What is so
Got
much
it.
complicated?
Yes, sir.
You find the requirement, how many IPs you need to configure on your router species, and based on that you find the ports and calculate the number of host bits.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
it. We are finding out the subnet, right? Subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why we are
Yes, sir.
finding out
Yes.
subnets? Because we have to give it to every
For
single
design.
lens.
Yes. In that. Yeah.
How many lens we are having
So
total? We have LAN 1.
one,
This
two,
one is LAN number 2.
then two.
LAN 3,
Okay.
LAN 4, LAN 5, LAN 6. Right. Then we have
Yes, sir.
this LAN, right? This switch is getting connected to this. So there is another one, LAN 7.
Yes, sir.
So 7 LANs, right?
Okay. First, let me design the topology, and then I will.
Yes. Do this. If this sounds a little bit complicated to you, then do this thing. Simply use whatever address you want. Understood, Bhaskar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simply use whatever IP address you want, okay, on every single LAN. Make sure that you have communication from LAN 1 to LAN number 7. Understood?
Okay, sir.
First, you do it like this.
Okay, sir.
Do the Eigrp configuration properly. Okay, there is one thing I would like to tell you. Click on this router.
Yes, sir.
Click on this router.
Okay.
Switch off the router.
Sorry.
This is a server, I guess. Click on the router.
Yes, sir.
Switch
Switched
off the
off.
router.
Yes.
Can you see this module over here?
Yes, sir.
Select this module. Select
Yes,
this
sir.
module. Click on this again. This is an M2FE2W. This one. Drag it and drop it over here.
This one.
Drag it and drop it over here in the blank space.
Yes, sir.
Basically, this adds 2 additional ports into your router.
Okay.
Okay, because you have to connect to multiple routers, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are short on ports because by default you have only 2 ports. You can see.
2 ports. Yes. Yes, sir.
So 2 plus 2 right
Okay.
now you are having how many
4
ports?
ports.
4 ports. So if you need any additional ports on your
Yes,
router,
sir.
you can use this module.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go on. Not like this. That remove the link from router 5 to your router 1. Remove the link.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This router?
Router 1 to router 5.
Router 1 to. Directly you want? Okay, okay.
This link.
Okay.
This link.
Yes, sir.
Make this link. In
Okay.
this manner, you will be doing it.
Okay, okay.
You need another port.
Okay, okay.
Add the
Okay.
port.
Yeah, only 2. Right? Okay.
Switch off your router. IP address wise, you can use any IP address, okay? Faster.
Okay, sir.
Subnet mask also you can use. Go on and start the configuration. Write the IP addresses, the LAN numbers, and all these things, so that we can understand.
Okay, sir. So, okay. Shit. क्या हो रही है?
Drag it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
It's our LAN 1. LAN 2. and 3. And 4. Okay, that.
Askar,
Yes, sir.
how
Hello.
many lens you are having total?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many lens?
5, sir.
Check your topology first.
This is your first. From
7
here
lens.
to
How many lens total?
so there also we are assigned the IP address now.
No, no. First of all, identify.
So this is
how
your
many lens
first.
you-
This will be your second.
This one is first, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
This is your second.
this one is second. After that,
Uh, so this will be our third.
which one?
4 ports we are having.
This entire is third. Are you sure?
So they are all connected to each other, no?
So what? First of all, these are routers, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you are connecting one router with each another router like this,
Yes, sir. Okay, you are saying.
this is not one
So
LAN you are
this one
keeping, right?
network. Yes, sir.
So how come?
Okay, one. Then, okay. You are saying second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, then 7, then 8.
This one is your third. This one will be third. This one will
Third,
be
this
fourth.
fourth.
This
Okay.
one fifth,
Sixth,
sixth,
seventh, eighth.
and this one is seventh.
Then it. Okay. Two.
Oh.
Total, you are having 7 LAN, 7. Okay. This part, it is entire 1 LAN. Because you are having a switch, right?
Yes, sir.
The switch is connecting all these routers and servers together, right?
So I have done it, but now I'm getting completely banned. I don't know why. Shit.
Now give the IP addresses of your choice. So simply just copy this. Use the select mode. Use the select mode. Copy it and paste it and then just edit it.
So how to do drag and drop?
Which one?
This I have to drag it over here.
No,
Is it
no,
possible?
no. Simply copy it and paste it.
No, I copied it, but
Control
this is
C.
not.
Control C.
I will just remove it.
Drag and drop, you can do it, right?
So that only I want to know.
Yes, simply just select, use the select mode.
Left click on that and drag it between. अभी नहीं मतलब जब आप बाहर ट्राई करोगे तब होगा वो. हाँ, अब उस पर क्लिक करके नीचे ऐसे.
Just do one thing. First of all, drag this box over here. Drag this box.
This one? Okay, this one you are saying.
Use the select mode and drag this box.
Select mode.
Drag the
Okay.
box. Drag the box.
Okay. Is it visible, sir, correctly?
Yes, we can understand. Go on.
Sure. Okay, fine. Now I'll assign the IP address, right? So now you can know.
Explain what exactly you do, okay, Bhaskar?
Okay. Okay, I will assign from here. Now I'm assigning the IP address to each of these machines. So default gateway I'm considering it will be 192.168.100.1, and DS server is not required. It is fine. Now we'll assign here. Fine. 2, 3, 4. Four, 5, 6. Fine. And okay. Okay. So now I will find the IP address to this machine. Then I will go to my router configuration, and for this we have to assign the IP address to the interfaces of these routers. So first I'm going to router 0. It's already turned on. Yes. So I press enter. So we have to do the configuration of the router. So we have to go to global configuration mode. So we have to first enable noise history privilege mode. Then we can use configure terminal or config command. Now we enter into the global configuration mode. So first we have to change the host name of this router, which we at present using as the router 0, or I will first change it to, okay, I will use router 0 only. So the command is host name router 0. We enter into router 0, and now we have to assign the IP. Now we have to assign the IP address to its interface FA0/0. So we have to go to first of all interface FA0/0. Now I will assign the IP address 192.168.100.1, which I have considered, and sorry, subnet mask I have forgot to mention. So 255.255.0, enter. Now I have to do the exit, correct?
Shutdown, no shutdown.
Sorry, yeah. So right now, as you can see, right now it is turned off. You can see the red sign over here. So we have to turn it on. So we will do no shutdown command. So you can see here that it's showing already that the state has been changed to up. You can see over here, and it's already the color has been changed from red to green. Means our this interface has come up. So now I will exit from this interface. Now we have to configure the second interface of the router 0, router 01, which is FA0/1. So I will again move to this interface, which is FA0/1. Again, I will assign the IP address, which I am considering 192.168.101.1, and subnet mask is 255.0. Now again, we have to turn it on. No shutdown. Again, the state has been changed. So I will exit from here. But as you can see, the color has not been changed. It's not showing the up in the background. It's turned on, but on the interface, it's not showing. This is because we have not configured till now the router 1. So I will close this. I will jump into router 1. Okay, it's turned off. So I will turn it on. CLI, it's turning on. So now you have to do enter. Then again the global configuration mode. So enable config key. Then again change the host name, which is router 1. Enter. Then interface, which is FA0/0. Assign the IP address, which I'm using 192.168.101.2, 255.subnet mask .0. This I've done. Then again we have to use we have to turn it on. No shutdown. See, the state has been changed, and this link has come up as well, because both the interface of the router and router 2 has turned on. So now we have to configure its remaining two interfaces, which is FA0/1 and FA1/0. So I will exit from here, from the config interface mode, interface configuration mode, and I will jump onto the interface, second interface, which is FA0/1, and I will assign the IP address to it. So here I'm using, it's a part of LAN 3, so 92.168.102.1 and 255.255.255.0. Again, no shutdown. State has been changed to up. Enter. So now I am Get from here, configuring this interface, which is connecting with the LAN port. Say 1/0 IP address 192.168. It's a part of LAN port, so I'm using 1.3.1 55.55.0. Sorry,
Between IP and address.
correct, and no shutdown. So now I will exit from here because all my router 3 interface, router 1 interface configuration has been done. So even you can see from here, see all the 3 ports have come up, correct? So now I have to jump to router 2 and router, which is this router. What is the name of the router? First I will jump to router 2. So again the same thing, config T, again the interface, which is FA 0/0, again the IP address 92.168.102.2 I'm using for now. And now down. Since 12 our link has also come up. So now, okay, let me configure its second interface. Interface which is FA/1 and IP address and assign. It's a part of LAN 4.168.104.1 55.55.0. No shutdown. And this is my router to configuration window. Exit. So both are up. This is my and I check the name of this router. Router 3. Where that is 103.1, correct? Okay, so I will go here. No, enter, enable config interface FA. What is this interface value? FA 0/0. Into 168 not 3.2.55.55.0. Again the same thing, no shutdown, you could turn it on. The state has been changed, line has been come up. Now I will configure the second interface of this same router. Exit interface FA 0/1 IP address 192. It's a part of the LAN 5. 192.168.105.1. Exit. Now, router to both ports are connected. Now I'll go to router 5. Again, the same thing is to do. Enable 150, and then interface say 0/0 IP address 192.68.104.2. So this line also came up. So for router 2, our work is done. Okay, router 5. So now I will configure this interface of FA 0/1 IP address. So I will use over here 192.168.105.2 to 55.55.0 up. Both lines are down. Exit. So till now, till router 5, my all configurations are. I have to enable this port now, which is a part of LAN 6. So first, let me assign the IP address to these servers. I will use 192.168.106.2 I will use 1. Okay. Stop configuration 3.
Make sure that you can ping
Yes,
from
sir.
servers to your gateways, all the machines you send ping to verify.
Okay, sir. So this is my config. I will go to interface FA 1/0 and 192.168.125.55.55.0 and then no shut. All are turned on, correct? Good. And I will check the connectivity. So let me check the connectivity within the LAN. So dot 100.3. So in LAN 1 connectivity is there. So let me check here as well. Dot 168.106. It's not there. Okay.
IP address same झाला आहे.
Okay. So from here to here, you have to check. Let's see. The router 0. So first of all, open verification. Ping. So as you can see, connectivity also happening between the router and router 0 to router 1. Same way we can check from here to here as well. I think all will be working fine. So here also connectivity is there. So connectivity is there. So let me check in the LAN 1 whether these machines are able to communicate with this gateway or not. So gateway IP is 101. Yes. So let me check once. अरे यार भाई क्या हुआ?
What happened?
No sir, it was 68.100. So there also it's happening with the gateway. Also they are able to communicate. So just let me check whether we are able to communicate with the machine on the LAN with the server on the LAN 8. So we will just simply go to the command prompt and then type the IP address 192.168.106.2. So yeah, this is not happening because our routers are not configured. The routes are not configured. Routes are not named in the routing table. So let me check configuration. Sorry. Uh, So, so connectivity happening. So we have to configure the protocols now on the router.
That is correct. Find out the connected networks and configure it as per the topology. Make sure that the autonomous system number what you are taking, right?
Yes, sir.
It is the same autonomous
It's able to
system.
communicate with the server one. Yes. So we have to do with the latest one, using the new protocol. Okay. So can someone please tell me the commands and
Yes. So, someone just tell him the commands what exactly he needs to type. Akash is there.
config T?
Akash. The commands. Anjali.
Okay, sir. I will do it. No problem. Eigrp. Suppose I'm using the same value 65111.
Router EIJ.
Sorry. Yes. We are configuring router. We have to go to router. Yes. Okay. Now network we will use network command.
Bhaskar, you are muted. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, Bhaskar, can you hear me?
Yes, one second.
Okay.
So like as you can see, we can now we are configuring the routing protocol on our routers. So I'm in router 01 and we are configuring EIGRP protocol. So and we have to provide the information of the connected networks with this router. So I'm providing a network ID of LAN 1 first. So subnet mask of that one, then network LAN 2 network ID, which is the 101.0 55.255.255.0. Then no auto hyphen summary if I'm not wrong. Yes, auto hyphen summary, and then I will exit from here. So this is my router 0 configuration done. Now I will move to router 1. So here it is. Okay, here it is connected with 1, 2, 3 networks. It is connected. I'm not wrong. Correct, sir?
Connected networks in the sense that you are having LAN number 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, this I have configured. It is connected to 2 LAN.
Yes.
Now this router 1, it is connected with 3 LAN, correct? LAN 2, LAN 3, and LAN 4. 3 details you have to enter only. Okay. So again, I will go to config P and in the same thing, router EIGRP, correct? Fine. EIGRP 65111. 65111. Okay. Fine. So I will do network. This network 192.168.101.0 to 55.55.55.0.
No, no, sub.
What happened?
101.0.
Subnet mask is necessary.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, subnet mask is required.
Okay.
Subnet
Yeah,
mask
it is
you have to
required.
configure. It is there now in the command.
Yes, sir, it is there.
Go on, Bhaskar. Do
Oh, sorry.
do
I got
fast.
it, sir.
We have last 15 minutes left. Do it fast.
Yes. Then network 192.168.102.0 to 55.55.55.0. Fine. Network one is connected with the LAN number 3 as well. So enter. Fine. No auto summary configure and exit from here. This is router 1 also done, and router 2 it is connected with the 2. So enable config T, then router Eigrp 65111 network. It is connected with 2 networks 192.168.102.0 125.0. Yes, and connected with 104. Fine. No auto summary configure. I will exit from here and okay, exit from here. And this is also done. Router 3 enable then router Eigrp 65111 and then network what it is 92.168.103.0. Sorry, 3.55.55.55.0, and it is 21.5 as well. Correct. Now no auto summary and exit. Sir, here's one problem happened, sir.
Where?
Sir, here on the router 3. So when I add the network part, this network 192.168.103.0. So I forget to enter the subnet mask, but that entry also it is added in the routing table.
103.0. It is there in the connected, no? It is connected.
No, here in the okay, I got it.
Multi C, right? But you can do that. You can just go to that router Eigrp, right? You can type router Eigrp 65111 and delete that command. The network you have given wrong, right?
Like you can see here the 3D entry came over here.
It is there. These are Eigrp routes, right? These are Eigrp routes. What I'm saying is this command, what you have given wrong, right? That
yes,
only
sir.
you didn't give the subnet mask, right? Simply just go to Eigrp
Yes, sir.
65111 and say
Yes, sir.
no network 192.168.103.0.
1 minute. Router Eigrp 65111. Yes, sir.
Then simply delete that command. No network 192.168.103.0.
Okay.
And type the correct network with the subnet mask.
Okay.
Type the correct network. So you say network 192.168.103.0 255.255.255.0.
Okay.
Always give the subnet mask.
Then I have to again do the no auto summary, correct?
No auto summary you have already given, right?
Yes. So again it is required. Or?
It is not required.
So this also done. Then router 5. Router 5 was connected with the 3 networks. Let enable config router. Okay. Okay. Continue 3 router 3 now. 168.4.0. This
one is 104, 105, and 106, right?
Yes, sir.
105. .0. That's it. So total number of LANs you are having?
How many? 8 LANs.
7 LANs, I guess.
1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 7. Yes.
7. So in 7 LANs, you are having total 6 networks. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Total 6 network IDs there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes or no? So 6 network ID. So one is 100.0.
1.0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Yes, 7. 7 network.
So 7 network ID. Yes, sir.
So all the 7 network ID must be there in every single router. Check the routing table and see all 7 networks are there or not.
Show IP route, correct? Yes, sir, it is there.
Yes.
100.0. Yes, sir. Go to any random one.
and send a ping.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me check here as well. Yes, sir. It is.
Okay. So
So,
send a ping.
from node 2.
Getting reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
Okay. Now 100% reply
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting it, right? Okay.
100%, sir. 100% success.
Yes. Now go to your router 0
Yes, sir.
and give that verification command. You have the show IP Eigrp neighbor command is there. No? See your screenshot.
Okay, okay.
The
Yes,
verification
sir.
device show IP Eigrp neighbor command is there.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this command basically displays the neighbor. Okay. The neighbor table. There is a neighbor table is there. It is called
Okay.
neighbor table. So this neighbor
So you are
table,
saying that, okay, sorry.
this neighbor table basically displays the neighbor's information. Means your router zero is connected to which router? This is your router 1, right?
Router 1, yes, sir.
Router 1. So router 1's information you will see. Can you see this IP address over here? This is router 1's IP address, right?
Yes, sir.
101.2. This is the IP address of router 1.
Yes, sir.
So that information,
Yes,
the
sir.
neighbor means this device is neighbor with this device, and this device is neighbor with this device. Always, this is the neighbor. Okay, EHRP always has neighbor. Okay, neighbor is there. So this neighbor table, you can see it using this particular command. Just give this command
Okay, sir.
to every single router and check the neighbors. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
enlarge the window. Okay, so what you were seeing over here, can you see the router 1 address is there?
Yes, sir.
This is your process number. Can you see the process autonomous system number over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it simply means that in this autonomous system, your router 0 is neighbor with which router?
Router 1.
Router. Now go to router 1 and give the same thing. Check the neighbor table over
So,
there as well.
show IPER, right?
So your router 1 is connected to
Yes,
how
sir.
many routers?
3 routers, sir. 3 routers, yes,
This
sir.
one.
Router
This
0,
one.
router 2, and router 3.
So this is your router 0, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your which router?
This is router number 2.
This is
And
your
this is
router
router
2.
number. This is router number 3.
This is your router. Okay, so with all these devices, your router 1 is neighbor in this process of 6500.
Okay.
Always this should be there. If routers are not neighbors with other routers, it means they cannot exchange routing information because routing table always needs to be shared, right? Always.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
sharing will not be happening if your router is not neighbor with other router. Okay. Now send a trace route from your PC. Send a trace route. Trace. TRSC.
Yes, sir. TRSC.
The server.
Oh,
Right, sir. Yes, present. So what exactly is the path information? First of all, it goes to your router 1, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your router 1.
Yes,
And
sir.
router 1 is sending it to which router?
Router 1 is sending
No. First of all, your
It is
it is going to your router 0.
router
This is
0, sir.
gateway, right?
Yes, sir.
For this machine,
Yes, sir.
this one is working as a gateway.
Yes, sir.
Is working as a gateway.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is going to the gateway. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a gateway. Then it is getting sent
Router
to
1.
this particular router over here. So that is one router 1 is coming.
Yes, sir.
And router 1 is sending it to 102
Router
direction.
2.
Means it is going
Yes,
in
sir.
this direction.
Yes, sir.
It is not going in this direction, I guess.
No,
In
sir.
this direction, it is not going.
Yes,
Or it
sir.
is going. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is going via your router 2. So this one is your router 2.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then we are
Router
having
5.
router 5. Router 5 IP is what?
192.168.104.2.
Okay.
This
So from
interface.
here it is coming, and after that from here it is getting delivered to 106.2. Which machine? This machine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the path. This is the path information. Okay.
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
got it right? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do this project. Yes. Okay. And Bhaskar, save the project, save the configurations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in the next session, we'll be basically discussing about OSPF. You can close your share now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the next session, we are going to be configuring about the OSPF. Okay. The open shortest path first. This is the last routing protocol. What exactly you are having. Okay. So in terms of doing configurations, okay, what exactly is OSPF? Because if you see RIP and Eigrp configuration, there are a couple of things which are almost similar. Okay, the commands and all these things. But OSPF is a little bit different. Okay, it is having a different concept. So we'll discuss about this OSPF concept. Okay, in the next session. Just hold on. Let me just take the screenshots.
Sir, one question, sir.
Tell me.
Can you repeat the numbers for private numbers for autonomous system numbers, sir?
Private autonomous system numbers, it is basically 64512
Two
265535.
65535.
Yes, 64512 265535.
Okay, sir.
These autonomous system numbers are free of cost. You can use it in your organization. Always you will be seeing that these numbers are getting used. Okay, everyone. So I will see you guys in the next session. Okay, do this particular project and let me know if you face any problems with the Eigrp configuration. Okay.
Yes.
So bye everyone. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Recording stop.